Welcome, middle school teachers. Are you looking for a comprehensive, time-saving resource to teach Washington State history to your 7th grade students? I'm excited to introduce you to the Washington State History curriculum designed specifically for middle school learners. This resource covers key historical events, figures, and concepts from Washington State's past, helping students develop a strong understanding of their local history. With engaging activities and a clear structure, this curriculum will guide your students through essential topics like state formation, indigenous history, and economic development. Let's take a closer look at how this resource works. The Washington State History curriculum includes worksheets, interactive activities, and assessments that are easy to implement in your classroom. From timeline exercises to critical thinking discussions, this product provides a variety of learning experiences that cater to different learning styles. Whether students are working individually, in pairs, or in groups, the curriculum is designed to be flexible and engaging. Plus, with answer keys and teacher notes, you'll be fully supported in delivering each lesson. This curriculum is not only fun, but also time-saving. With everything you need in one resource, you'll reduce lesson planning time while ensuring your students stay engaged and on track. The materials are aligned with state and national standards, so you can be confident you're providing your students with high-quality, relevant content. Ready to get started? Sign up for our email list to grab free Washington State history lessons for your 7th grade students that comply with OSPI standards and make teaching Washington State history a breeze and a lot of fun.